Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 GMC Terrain Denali featuring white frost drag coat with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power liftgate, power park brake, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, as well as heated and ventilated seats. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with memory seating, power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors, as well as our liftgate controls, some storage and cup holder space below, and a Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat is the power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats. And we can hop inside. To the left when we get inside, we have our heads-up display as well as our power park brake. And we can go ahead and start up the vehicle. In the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have the cluster controls as well as the Bluetooth controls. And to the left, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. Taking a look at our audio options, we can check them out. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We can connect the phone right there. And it is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here we can take a look at the navigation. Pretty straightforward. And throw it in reverse, take a look at the backup camera and the 360-degree camera. Below that we have our dual zone climate control, and down at the bottom we have a USB-C and a USB-A plug-in as well as a 12-volt with some storage, 2 cup holders in the middle. Here are the parking sensors. We also have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as our lane keep assist and hill descent control. Right here we have our wireless charger, and here's the center console. Taking a look, we have storage above, light at the back, and more storage below with 2 USB plugins. Here's the rear view mirror. So above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, sunglasses holder, and our moonroof controls. Here's the moonroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, Denali badging along the bottom, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry and a chrome accent, privacy tint on the rear windows, and making our way to the back here. We can open up the back by just double clicking. It's going to pop open for us. There's a 60-40 seat split with a ton of space. We also have a rear storage cover for some extra privacy. Down below here, we can lift this up to get some more storage below. And of course, we can drop these back seats down using these controls from the back here to get a ton more space. To close it up, all we gotta do is push the button and it'll close for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power windows, some storage and cup holder space below, and here are the seats. We can fold these over from the front here by pulling that, and it'll drop down. Hopping inside, the back of each seat we have magazine holders. Back of the center console are the vents with the rear heated seats, 2 USB plugins, and then way down at the bottom here we have a 3-prong plug-in. Of course there are handles on either side with a dome light. We get a great view of the sunroof. Taking a look in the middle, we can drop this down for an armrest / cup holder, and here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Terrain Denali. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.